मधुरं मधुरेभ्योऽपि मङ्गलेभ्योऽपि मङ्गलं पावनं पावनेभ्योऽपि हरिर्नामैव केवलम्। हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे
Check.
Can you hear and see us now?
Amazing.
Can you tell us if there is any echo? Are you still experiencing any echo in the sound, or is it good now? Okay, great. So, we'd like to start by expressing our deepest gratitude to all of you for joining us for this beautiful 3-day juice fasting experience with us. And so many of you today have joined us from all over the country, from all over the world for this beautiful journey, beautiful experience of something so pure, of fasting. Lots of times when we try to fast alone, individually, sometimes it gets difficult. We're not able to do it alone. But all of us here are so fortunate that we have each other's support. We're fasting as a community together today. So we'd like to invite you to spend the next 3 days with us. We'll have a lot of fun. We'll be learning lots of new things, and we'll take you through the entire course, the entire schedule. We'll take you through everything in this session.
So, before we begin, we would like to take a few minutes to thank that one person who has brought us all together. That one person who has enabled us to learn whatever we have learned and then to share it with all of you. And that is God. So, if you can, wherever you are, just close your eyes for the next 2 minutes and join us as we take God's name. एंड आप जिसी भी भगवान में विश्वास करते हो तो आप उनके ध्यान कर सकते हो और हमारे साथ उनके नाम ले सकते हो. ठीक है?
So we'd like to request you to join us. We'll be chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. If you want, you can repeat after us. And just once from our deepest heart, let's thank God that He has brought us here today, and also let's ask Him for strength to hold us and to support us in the next 3-day journey.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Wonderful. So, we'd like to tell you that it's very exciting for us that almost 1,000 people today have joined us for this 3-day juice fast, sitting in all corners of India, some even from outside India, to come and fast together. So it's it's incredible how people from all over the world have joined us. And before we move ahead, we'd like to know a little about you. Where are you from, and what is your intention behind joining this 3-day juice fast? So if on the chat box you can just tell us कि आप कहाँ से हैं और आपने ये 3 दिन हमारे साथ क्यों जुड़े हैं आप इन 3 दिन के लिए
Say your
हमारे साथ.
name, where you're from, and your intention.
Okay, so we have Rashmi ji from Nasik, we have Nitesh ji from Chennai, we have Kulwant ji from Noida,
So we can see Vikram ji from Gujarat, Nitya ji from Delhi, from Bengaluru, Dharwad, Hyderabad, Akanksha ji, Coimbatore. Okay, there are way too many messages, but okay, Bangalore, Kerala, Ghaziabad, Uma ji, Anusha ji from Singapore, looking for some weight loss, Prashant ji from Muscat, Shashank ji from Ahmedabad. Wonderful. So, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, we have people literally from every part of India today who are joining us, and you will see the benefit and the power of this community, how we all will come together and how we will all help each other be one through these 3 days.
So lots of you have replied. Okay, so as you can see, we have people from all over the country join us. We asked a few of you yesterday to send us a video of yourself describing why you've joined us. So let's watch a short video of each other, of who all is with us today.
हेलो, मेरा नाम पूनम बर्गे है, मैं कल्याण में रहती हूँ.
My name is Ronak Agarwal and I belong from Siliguri, West Bengal.
My name is Bhagyashree Arora and currently I am residing in Mumbai.
I am Dinay Doshi from Satara, Maharashtra.
My name is Aditi Parab and I am from Mumbai.
मैं हूँ देवजानी, छत्तीसगढ़ बिलासपुर से.
I am Dr. Hemlata from Adilabad.
Hi, I am Sushma from Delhi.
Hi, I am Tanvi Agarwal from Pune.
Jaydeep Negi from Haridwar.
This is Karan Patel from Ahmedabad.
This is Gargi from Mumbai.
I want to lose some weight. I'm having thyroid, and since past few years I have reached a plateau. I'm not able to reduce weight anymore. I took this course up because I want to embrace a healthier lifestyle and I want to work on curing my PCOS.
I want to reduce my weight. I am unable to do from long time.
अचानक जब मुझे मेनोपॉज हो गया तब मुझे थायराइड हो गया और मेरा वेट बढ़ते गया। डॉक्टर भी बोले कि आपका वेट अभी बढ़ते जाएगा।
To gain better well-being in terms of losing weight, feeling more energetic, and boosting my immunity.
Right now, I have hypothyroidism problem and varicocele also.
And I've been facing skin and digestive issues lately. So after getting to know about 3-day juice fast, I was very much intrigued.
I'm very unfit man. I have a thyroid disease, so I have to flush out all my diseases, including this thyroid and this obesity.
मुझे थायराइड है। अभी फास्टिंग जूस का सेशन करके मुझे थायराइड पे पूरी तरह से कंट्रोल करना है।
We are not into much more physical activities nowadays, so we are not losing any calories. So I'm trying to not gain some weight. That's why I'm doing this fasting.
मैंने सात्विक डाइट नवंबर से स्टार्ट किया है। मुझे वेट लॉस और वेरिकोज वेन्स के लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है। जूस फास्टिंग का प्रोग्राम मुझे बॉडी डिटॉक्स करने के लिए करना है।
The constant sitting down at home due to quarantine, because of that we've been eating a lot of food. So I wanted to go on this detox for my body so that I could feel more energetic and not be lethargic the whole day.
Sitting at home is not good, feeling depressed. So after listening, I found out that it may increase my immunity and help me in getting better.
Because I think we all are going through a detox phase world over. So I think what better time than this one to go ahead with the challenge.
मेरा जो है ना थोड़ा हेक्टिक और ट्रैवलिंग वाला शेड्यूल है। बेसिकली आई एम एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर और उसी की वजह से हेल्थ के ऊपर और बॉडी के ऊपर इतना मेरा फोकस नहीं रह पाता।
Moving away from solid foods for some time and then getting into liquid or juices and probably have a positive impact on my system.
I have been trying to do this 3-day juice detox, which has never been possible. So this is the best time to start, since we are all at home fighting the virus.
Of preventive health enthusiasts, so I just thought of, since I have some time and just to go about it and just experience how it goes, because I think I will be doing the fast for the very first time.
I decided on taking on the juice detox to firstly cleanse my gut, and in this lockdown time it will help me heal and recharge myself.
और 3 दिन का फास्ट जो मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं किया, तो क्यों ना पहले अपने ऊपर खुद इम्प्लीमेंट करूं।
Any health related activity which help me keep fit catches my eye, and that's the reason I'm joining this fast.
When I got to know about the workshop, I was like, I'm done with thinking, let's do it.
This will be a new beginning for me.
It's always easy to do it as a community than to do it all alone. So here I am, all caked to start this juice fasting journey with you all.
Yes. Hope you all enjoyed seeing that small compilation of all of your videos. And now that we all know each other and whoever has joined us a little bit better, we would like to tell you a little bit about ourselves. How our journey started and how we have reached here today. Subha, would you like to start?
Sure. So, my journey started almost 4 years ago. I was suffering from a lot of health problems 4 years ago. At a very young age, I had thyroid, I had PCOD, I had lots of hair fall. I was taking many medicines in a day. I was taking 7 different tablets every morning. So like how people take eat their breakfast, I used to eat medicines for breakfast. And the fact that I had all these diseases at such a young age was very scary for me. So and I had believed that this is how I have to live now, that this is normal to live with medicines and to live with disease, I never thought that this can even ever be cured. And then one day I met my master, my first master, who is Acharya Mohan Gupta, and under his guidance I learned how we can reverse all of these diseases without medicines. And I learned that only by changing our food, only by changing our lifestyle, by cleansing and detoxing our body, we can actually reverse all health problems. And then we wanted to study more and more about it. So I went to many different institutes in the world to learn about how can natural healing, how can fasting, how can detoxing, how can the right food actually heal diseases. So there were many institutes around the world, Hippocrates Health Institute, Matthew Kenny Institute, where I went to learn this science. And after I adapted all these principles that I had learned from these different institutes, I was able to completely reverse all my health problems just through connecting with Mother Nature, just by realigning myself with Mother Nature and embracing her elements of fasting, of sunlight, of air. So this has been a very, very brief journey. And as we spend these 3 days together, we'll get to know each other much, much better. And after I saw that Mother Nature is so powerful that she can heal any disease in such a quick time, I thought that so many people are suffering from health problems around, and they should get this knowledge so that they can also cure themselves from the same health problems. So we started Sattvic Movement, an organization called Sattvic Movement, wherein we spread the knowledge of our Vedas, of our timeless scriptures. What do they have to say about health? So Sattvic Movement is a non-profit health education platform which is formed with an aim to bring man closer to Mother Nature. So through this we provide holistic knowledge about health, which is coming straight from our Vedas and from our scriptures. So let's all of us come together and save the planet from ever-increasing diseases. So let's together create this health movement. And now that you've joined us for these 3 days, you're all a part of us. So once again, really we feel so grateful to all of you that you've decided to give these 3 days to your health. You've decided to join us. And coming back, so this has been a very brief journey of me. In this journey I met Harsh, and Harsh, like me, was in the same journey of reversing his health problems through natural means. So he can tell you more about how he found this way of healing and way of living.
Sure. Thank you for sharing. So just very similar to Subha's journey, I always had health problems as a child, and I think in every household in India हम सबसे पहले डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, and डॉक्टर हमें कोई दवाई लिख के देता है, and then we take the medicine thinking that this medicine will now fix us. And I had immense faith that that medicine would really fix me. And it would fix me, but temporarily. And very soon that same problem would come back and I would go back to the doctor. And fast forward 15 years, I was just doing the same thing again and again and again. So as a child, I suffered from chronic sinusitis, जिसको हम simple language में सर्दी कहते हैं. दिन भर सर्दी रहती थी मुझे, block nose रहता था, runny nose रहता था. And उसके कारण गला ख़राब होता था, बुखार होता था, एंटीबायोटिक्स का मैं कोर्स लेता था और बहुत जल्द स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स होने लग गए थे, तो जो हम सोरियासिस या एक्जिमा के नाम से जानते हैं. एंड lots of steroids, inhalers, sprays, creams. Fast forward 15-20 years later, I realized it was actually my food, my thoughts, my sleep patterns, my relationships, which were deciding whether or not I would have these problems the next day. What I had for dinner would influence how dry my skin will be in the morning. ये मुझे कोई बचपन में 20 साल तक किसी डॉक्टर ने नहीं सिखाया. एंड वो मैं एक मैजिक डॉक्टर को ढूंढते रहा, मैजिक पिल को ढूंढते रहा, और आज मुझे यकीन हो गया है, विश्वास हो गया है खुद के लाइफ में कि वो डॉक्टर, वो पिल हमारे अंदर ही है और वो हमारे चॉइसेस के पास है। हम क्या खाते हैं, कैसी सोच है हमारे। सो दैट दिस realization was such a deep one for me and helped me completely change my life, not just my health, my outlook towards life, what I want to do with life, and I made it my mission to share what I've learned with everyone else. इसी के साथ led to the birth of Vedri. This was the organization which we are running in Bombay right now. It's an institute which is promoting natural methods of healing and primarily relying on food and lifestyle to reverse any health issues we have. And like Subha said, I had the good fortune of meeting her, and now we're taking this together, combining the two organizations and helping spread Mother Nature's precious knowledge with as many people as we can, so we can all adapt these simple rules and all get not just physical health but much, much more. So these 3 days will be very exciting, where we will help share with you what we have learned, and hopefully you will experience it also in just 3 days, and you will be motivated and inspired to take it forward in your life.
So just to let you all know, Harsh and I got married just 4 months ago, and we feel that now our only purpose in life is to connect more and more people back to Mother Nature, back to our true self, to introduce us to the healing power who's sitting inside us. So whether it's Satvik or it's Vedri, it never feels like we're doing it as work. We truly feel like this is our soul calling, almost like we've only been put on this earth so that we can serve you, to live a more healthful, to live a life more in sync with nature.
So without further ado, let's start, and we shall jump straight into what and how the 3 days will look like. So I know every one of you has been fasting since morning, and you all are keen to know what to do, how to do it, and what's going to happen for 3 days. So shall we move ahead? Yes. So what you will see on your screen now is a schedule which we will be following for the next 3 days. So just like we met at 10 o'clock today, we will be meeting 3 times today: 10 o'clock, 12:30 and 6 o'clock in the evening. And these will be the 3 same timings we meet today, tomorrow and day after. In between our second session and our third session, you are expected to take some rest and watch a documentary. So we will tell you all about which documentary to watch, how to access it. It's of course all freely available online, and that's the time when you have to be spending watching a documentary. Our evening session, we will have lots of fun and a very important quiz. So there will be one quiz on each evening, and we will tell you all about it, and what the winners will also get. And in between the day, you're supposed to have juices, and we will tell you exactly what kind of juices, how to make them, what you can add, what you can't add in the juices, and all the very many questions you have.
So just to recap, we have 3 sessions every day, 3 knowledge sessions every day. The first one starts at what time? Starts at 10 a.m. The second one starts at 12:30 p.m. and the third one at 6 p.m. How long is each session? Almost 1.5 hours. So be prepared that when you come for a session, next 1.5 hours we'll have a full knowledge session. In between the sessions, in between the breaks, you can have your juices. So you can take a screenshot of the screen in front of you. We have almost 5 juices in a day that you can take. We'll talk more about juicing as we go forward. And the evening sessions, as Harsh said, we'll be doing quizzes, and it'll be more of a fun session.
So there are certain rules and certain things you need to know to make sure that you get the most value out of the next 3 days. So please follow The first thing is please try and use and come online through a computer or a laptop or a desktop. इससे क्या होगा, आप हमारी स्क्रीन को बड़ा देख पाओगे और आराम से फॉलो कर पाओगे. It can be quite distracting to be holding a phone or to be following us on a small screen. So whoever has the opportunity, please use a laptop to connect with us.
How many of you here are online through your laptops already?
So you can leave a chat and
आप में से कौन कौन ऑलरेडी लैपटॉप से ऑनलाइन है? Okay, wonderful. So lot of you are saying that you're online through laptop. We request that if you're online from phone, if in the next break you can switch to your laptop, it will be much more convenient and comfortable for you.
The next thing which will really help, and you will see the benefit of this as the days progress, you need to take a lot of notes. We're trying to share a lot of knowledge, and at certain times it's hard to remember everything. So please keep one notepad and either a pen or a pencil next to you. And अगर नहीं है आपके पास अभी तो 1 मिनट आप टाइम निकालिए और जल्दी से जाके एक नोटपैड एंड एक राइटिंग के लिए कोई चीज़ अपने साथ रखिए.
और पूरे सेशन में जितने ज़्यादा नोट्स हो सकते हैं उतने नोट्स बनाइए. मेक एक्सटेंसिव नोट्स. The more notes you make, the deeper you will be able to absorb this knowledge. वरना क्या होगा, यहाँ से सुना यहाँ से चला जाएगा. So please make lots of notes to absorb this knowledge.
Something very simple but very important. Please be on time. We will be starting the sessions exactly on time and we will try our best to finish on time. So if you can come 5 minutes, 10 minutes before, we will be playing beautiful kirtans. आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया मगर we will try to be on time. So please join the sessions at 10 minutes before the scheduled time.
This is very, very important. If you come 5-10 minutes late, you'll miss out a lot of the very important essential things that we tell in the beginning of the sessions.
Would you like to share?
Yes, so we request you all that please don't miss any sessions. Every single session is important. We'll have total of 9 sessions in these 3 days, 3 sessions every day, and we have 3 days. So we'll have 9 sessions in these 3 days. Please make sure that you attend every single session. If you miss one session in between, or if you leave a session halfway through, then you simply won't be able to absorb the knowledge and you may miss out on some very, very important parts. Because fasting, sometimes when we're doing it online, there's some very important information that we deliver to you, and without that information your fasting may not benefit you as much. So please don't miss any sessions. It's a humble request.
The fifth thing to keep note of, there may be times in the middle when our video disconnects or there is extensive lag in the streaming. Please don't worry. There are power cuts at times. So please bear with us and be patient, and we will do our best to come back live as soon as possible. So in that situation, don't panic and just be patient, and we will join you as soon as we can. Hopefully it doesn't happen and we have clear stream for 3 days. The sixth point is important. Would you like to share about it?
Yes. So we have all sent you a link on your email through which you are here. We request all of you that please keep this link private. Please do not share this link with other people who are not doing the juice fast. Please don't share this link with your family, your friends. If you want them to participate in the juice fast, please invite them to the next juice fast. We're doing another juice fast upcoming week. You can invite them for that. But please, we request you that you don't share this link with everyone, because if someone joins the juice fast in between, let's say if they join halfway through the juice fast, if they join on day 2, and if they don't get the information that we are telling on day 1, it can actually be very, very harmful to do the fast. It can be dangerous to do the fast. If someone doesn't get the complete knowledge about how to do it and how to break it. Lots of things we'll discuss.
So it's our promise that we will be doing these juice fasts much more often. So don't worry that whether they'll get another opportunity or not. We will do our best to have them very often.
So we really trust you with this, that you won't share the link with anyone. Yes.
So these are 6 things. If you can implement them, you will get the maximum out of these 3 days.
And one last thing that's just coming to my mind right now, sometimes this live chat feature on the side of your desktop or at the bottom of your phone can be a little distracting. So when we ask you a question, then you can switch on that live chat. Then you look at that live chat. But when there's no question being asked, you can simply turn it off. That will be much more, you'll have a much more peaceful overall experience. Otherwise, what will happen? We start reading messages on the live chat and we miss the point that is being shared in the presentation.
Alright. So there are certain rules when it comes to juicing to make sure that we are actually getting the benefits of the fast. And these are very important, so please follow them carefully. And many of you have sent us questions, so we have tried to make sure that we answer all of them in these 6 rules. So the first rule is we are allowed to consume nothing but juices. So it's a juice fast. You're allowed to have fresh juice, coconut water, and regular water. These are the 3 things which are permissible during the 3 days. And what you cannot have or is not part of the fast are smoothies, fruits, soups, tea, and coffee. One thing which we have forgotten to add here is even herbal tea. So no herbal teas are also permissible during the fast. So it's very, very simple, very, very clear. Fresh vegetable juices, coconut water, and water are the 3 only things which we are supposed to consume for the next 3 days.
So let's say if you take some fruits or some vegetables and you blend them and you straight away drink them. Is that right or wrong? Is that the right way to do this fast or the wrong way? What do you think?
Wrong way. So there may be many questions, people may think about various things which we would like to have, but let's just keep it simple. Fresh vegetable juices, coconut water, and water. And if it doesn't belong in this category, only for the next 3 days, let's not have it. What can we add to our juice and what can we not add to our juice? So to enhance the taste of our juice, we have allowed 4 simple things which are very easily available in India. Lemon juice or nimbu, fresh ginger or adrak, mint or pudina, coriander or dhania. These 4 ingredients can be mixed to your juices. And let's think, what is it that we don't and we cannot mix to our juices?
Salt, black pepper, jaggery, chaat masala, and ice. So we request that please do not add any of these to your juice. If you add even a little bit of salt or chaat masala or black pepper or jaggery, your juice is not half as nutritious as it is in the pure form.
So maybe we think कि थोड़ा ही तो नमक डाल रहे हैं, little bit of salt, what is the difference? And one may not realize it completely changes the way the juice works in your body. So for your benefit and to get the maximum out of the 3 days, please follow the instructions to the T. And as it's getting warmer, a lot of us like to put ice and make our juices colder. Juice is most easily digested at room temperature. So we want to consume the juices at room temperature as far as possible and not add any of these other ingredients which are mentioned here. It is okay if you add some water to your juice to dilute it, yes, especially if you're using other machines rather than a juicer, we will talk about that.
Next rule, always sieve the juices before consuming. So what does that mean? Even if you're using a juicer, after you get the juice out, please use a channi, which is a siever or a strainer. You can call it with any word, channi, strainer or siever, to take out the fiber, the pulp from the juice. So we only want to consume the liquid part of the juice. We do not want the fiber in our body for these 3 days.
Now, some of you may be thinking, what's wrong with the fiber? The fiber is actually very, very good. Except for these 3 days, we want to give our digestive system a complete break. And the fiber, due to its nature, will require the system to digest and to create enzymes which will digest it. We don't want to give that work to the body. So only for these 3 days, while you're fasting, please strain your juices. And the thinner you will strain them, the more liquid your juice will be, and the easier it will be for your digestive system, and it will just pass through it.
You can even use a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth to strain it. That's the best option because that will really take out all the fiber and the pulp from your juice.
This is a very, very important rule. This is the 4th rule. Consume your juices within 15 minutes of taking them out. As we know, जैसे आप फोटो में देख सकते हैं, when we keep our juices, we will see them separating. And this is a sign that the juice is not, the nutrients are getting lost as they're kept there exposed to air. So as far as possible, and our recommendation is within 15 minutes, consume it. Do not take your juices out for the entire day at one time. It will really not be juice anymore, and then we will not be having the best benefit or best experience of the 3 days.
The next rule is eat the juice, not drink the juice. So when you're making your green juice, can you even imagine how much cucumber and greens and lemon, apple, vegetables you're putting in the juice? Can you imagine just eating all that vegetable in 5 seconds or in just one gulp? No, we would take almost 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to eat so much vegetable for our body to really absorb the nutrition from it. When we just suddenly gulp down a juice, it's very shocking for our body. Where did all this juice come from? What do I do with all this juice? Suddenly when we drink it. The best way to drink the juice is sip by sip by sip. And when you take one sip, you actually chew it in your mouth. So actually, not just food, we're also supposed to chew our juice.
So you may have seen in some of the videos, and I have my morning Ashgard juice right here. I'm going to show you how we chew our juice. That's how long it should take you to take one sip. And the more saliva that mixes with the juice in your mouth, the easier it will be for your body to accept it. So please be mindful of eating your juice, not drinking your juice. And if you think of this image, instantly you will know how much your body needs time to chew that vegetable which has been juiced. The 6th rule, a very, very important rule, that we cannot drink pure fruit juices. So even though we call it a 3-day juice fast, it's actually a 3-day vegetable juice fast. So fruits by nature are very, very sweet, and when we remove the fiber, the sweetness is way too much for our body to easily manage, especially there's a lot of load on the pancreas. So to not add that load, we suggest we completely avoid fruits from the 3 days. However, especially for those of us who are fasting for the first time and drinking so many juices for the first time, it can be a little challenging to, you want some sweetness in the juice. For those people, we recommend adding only half an apple. This could be a red apple or a green apple in your juices. So if you see the recipes, our green juice and our ABC juice, we have allowed half an apple. in the juice. But please do not use any other fruits, no oranges, no kiwis, and no other fruits over the 3 days. This will ensure you have the best and the maximum benefit of the juice fast.
So if you want, can you drink a whole glass of pure orange juice? The answer is no. It's way too sweet for your body to suddenly digest and absorb so much sweetness in one single go. So the point in a juice fast, what we're doing in a juice fast is we're giving all the intrinsic organs of our body a total break, a total rest, including the pancreas. Pancreas is the organ which has to generate insulin to digest so much sugar. Even if it's natural sugar, it has to work very hard to assimilate it. So if we just avoid the fruit juice, even our pancreas will completely rest for 3 days.
So we'll do a very, very quick recap of the 6 rules that we learned. The
What-
first,
What do you think was the first rule?